Hello there! Hi! So for today's video, we are going to talk about experiment 3, which is the melting point of sugar and salt. We're also going to talk about ionic and covalent compounds. So without further ado, let's get started. For this experiment, we need table sugar and table salt. And to keep it as scientific as possible, we are going to measure 50 milliliters of sugar and salt. You also need a pan and a gas burner. We are going to do sugar first. Now we need to constantly stir as to not burn the sugar. Now, as you might have noticed, the sugar had become liquid after some time. What do you think will happen to salt if we do the same? Let's find out. Pour your table salt into the pan and constantly stir it as to not burn the salt. As you might have noticed, the salt is still not melting unlike sugar. Now the reason for this is that the salt has a melting point of 800 degrees Celsius, which is very high. The result of this process is still solid because the salt has a crystalline structure that is tightly bound together. Now, which is the covalent compound and ionic compound? In the experiment that we conducted, salt is an ionic compound, which means it donates an electron or exchange valence electron or electron transfer. It has stronger bonds and have a high melting point. While sugar is a covalent compound, which means atoms share electrons in their outer orbital or electron pair bond. It has a weaker bonds and have a low melting point. So that would be all for this video. Thank you for watching.